Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete downloaded superstars in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just by using RB key or R1 key, you need to head over to the options section. Over here you need to choose extras, then go to the last one, content manager. Here select the option custom superstar at the top, and just you need to select the player you wanna delete. Let's say I wanna delete this one. I need to select that player and just hit the options button and just select yes, and yeah, there you go, the player is now gone. If you want to delete multiple players at once, for that you just need to select them. Let's say I want to delete Jeff Hardy, then Seth Rollins and Sin Cara. If I select them and hit the options button, I need to select yes in order to delete them, and yeah, all of them are now gone. And that's basically how you can delete custom superstars in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.